in our classes and practices, we work really down to earth, very practical. So we learn that, for example, by slowing down, we go faster, and that less is more. So we'll explore how and where stress is lodged in our body, in our kidneys, in our adrenals, in our nervous system. Because most people in industrialized societies suffer from chronic stress without even knowing it. So the perception of stress is a real killer. When we look at our society, where we're constantly overstimulated with information and stress, where we live with this sense of needing to be constantly productive, busy, useful, not knowing our own worth through just simply being, resting, doing nothing, we can see that most of us have deregulated nervous systems. So our coping mechanisms of survival are stuck in reactions of fight, flight, freeze, fawn responses without being able to actually come to a full stop, pause, and be with our inner sensations, whether they're painful or pleasurable. Our physical bodies very often behave like we're constantly being chased by packs of wolves or prehistoric tigers, even when we're not in acute danger, but we can learn how to flow these energies differently. So we can move out of this survival mode. In our sexual Kung Fu classes, different tools will be offered to learn to relax deeper and to create this sense of security, no matter what are the circumstances. For example, we can learn how to remain gentle, relaxed, even when we're in the middle of a situation where normally we might feel stress or tension or worry or pressure. So our perceptions of reality can change drastically when our feelings start to be carried more by an undercurrent of safety, no longer by stress or fear or this vague feeling that something is wrong with me or with the world. What do we need and desire to be able to slow down and fully be present within our body and its sensations? There are useful and harmful types of stress, where the useful stress activates us when needed, but it doesn't interfere when we rest or when we recover. So the harmful types of stress keep the body in like an overdrive and prevent recovery during the day and during the night. So when the body resources are depleted, even positive stress from enjoyable activities such as simple excitement or an improvement of skills can deplete our limited resources because we're tired or we're just worn out. So by removing these main sources of stress from our lives through these sexual Kung Fu practices, we can now pause, breathe, and rebuild our strength.